Okay, we're going to use some Extra Tough full strength on this Cobalt diamond plated toolbox. See where I used some of it already. And we're going to do the rest here where there's still some oxidation and dirt and grime. Just show the difference. You can see the line. I had it taped off. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and spray it all down. We'll let it sit for about a minute, maybe a little bit longer. Just see how well it breaks up everything. Give you an idea of how well it works with at least this type of aluminum product. You can see it breaking up already. You can see when some of the oxidation that's taken place on it. And again, you want to leave it there for at least about a minute. And we'll take a look at it. You can see where it's already doing its work. The chemical is eating away at that grime, oxidation that's on the toolbox. We'll see if we can see that line when we're done. Go ahead, before we rinse it off, I'm just going to take it's a wet microfiber towel. So you go right along right here where you can see the stuff that just came off, like just a little bit of agitation, just going back and forth on it. And then the rest we're just going to squirt off. All right, here we go. Gives you an idea of Extra Tough working on a diamond plated toolbox. Again, really no agitation at all, just a water squirt. I did do a little bit of wipe down with the microfiber towel right there. Extra Tough, it works. You can find it at GeorgiaMilkTex.com as well as ExtraToughCleaners.com. We're also found on eBay and Amazon as well. All right, here's the finished product of the Cobalt diamond plated toolbox using full strength Extra Tough, and then taking a microfiber towel and rubbing it down, doing some agitation on it.